As long as I was sitting there, I thought that I was one among the kids who were participating here. The chairman of the school, Zafar Iqbal Sahab, principal Ujala Gupta ma'am, managing director Rahul Gupta Sahab, Vahid Akhtar ma'am. Some guests have joined us a short while ago, and Kauri Global School. I reckoned in the outset that it's my privilege to be here because it took me back to my childhood. I thought as if I was in early 80s, 1980s, it took me back, 40 years back. And the energy, the passion, the enthusiasm which I witnessed here, it's all because of the hard work of the teachers. So I would like children and teachers themselves to clap for themselves because please put your hands together for yourself because all what happened here, the hard work, which all the teachers along with the management, I can still see the principal herself is standing, she did not occupy the chair, she was supposed to occupy the chair, but she is still standing over there. It clearly indicates the amount of hard work which you are putting in. I was trying pretty hard to be here because myself and Mr. Rohit Gupta, we are childhood friends. Mr. Zafar Iqbal is also my childhood friend. So my family is sitting here. So I tried on number of occasions to be here, but all depends upon God's will. He has decided this particular day, and I'm feeling quite lucky to be here because the activities, the vibrant activities which took place here were really heart-throbbing. And the man who was handling the stage here, she left no stone unturned, in rendering her services. And I can see a mini India here because I can see, people from different parts of the country serving here. I came to know our English teacher is from Manipur, I guess, if I'm not wrong. And I can see the man to my left, she hails from Kerala, I think. So I can see mini India here. So the students, the toddlers are fortunate enough, they're lucky enough that they have got the teachers from the different parts of the country. And if you take a look, Keralites are supposed to be the most literate people, if I'm not wrong. Keralites, wherever you go, whichever part of the country you go to, so Keralites are supposed to be the most literate and also the most industrious people. So as far as, the local teachers are concerned, they really left no stone unturned in making sure this particular annual sports day becomes a huge success. I can see a few faces who had been my students. I can see Rumani is standing over there. She has also remained my student. Sanjana was here, she is not seen. So I'm very happy that now my students are also, doing their level best to serve the society because these children are the future of tomorrow. They are the young India, and we are living in young India. 70% of the population of our country, is young. So we are young. Our country is young nowadays. The powers are at the hands of the young people because from the age group of 14 to 35, it is considered as young. So we have young people and responsibilities are there. So we have to train them bodily, physically, spiritually, mentally, in every way so that they become stronger and stronger, so that they take our country to the certain heights. So I had to speak on a number of things over here because my elder brother, Shri Masood Ahmed Saab, is a reputed personality of Veer Panjal, and he is Assistant Director in Forest Protection Force. And I'm lucky enough to sharing, seat with him. He has to go somewhere as well, and I'm also, in hurry. I kept picking Mr. Rohit to let me speak so that I leave. But I'm lucky enough. Had I not come here, I would have missed, plenty of great things. Thank you. Thank you.
Assistant Professor Baba Ghulam Shah Badshah University, Zafar Saab, Chairman, प्रिंसिपल मैम, बाकी जितने भी फैकल्टी मेंबर हैं, मैं आज सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि आज उन्होंने मुझे इस मंच पर आने का मौका दिया। और मैं बहुत सारे स्कूलों में गया हूँ, पुंछ में भी, रजौरी में भी, लेकिन जो टैलेंट मैंने छोटे बच्चों में यहाँ देखा मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा। बड़े बच्चों को पढ़ाना बहुत आसान होता है, लेकिन इन छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाना जो एक बहुत मुश्किल काम है। यही एक यहीं से उनकी स्टेज बनती है आगे के लिए। और इन बच्चों ने जो परफॉर्मेंस दी यहाँ एनुअल डे स्पोर्ट्स में, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। यही बच्चे कल बड़े होके एक कलाकार बनेंगे। जो एक गेम देख रहा था मैं टग ऑफ वार, वो मैंने इस डिपार्टमेंट में भर्ती होने के बाद सीखा कि ये भी एक गेम होती है। अगर उन बच्चों को यहाँ पता है वो कल क्या बनेगा। बाकी भी जितनी गेम खेली, एक्टिविटी खेली, बहुत अच्छी इन बच्चों ने परफॉर्मेंस दी। और मुझे लगता है इनकी पढ़ाई का भी लेवल बहुत अच्छा होगा। और पढ़ाने वाले टीचर मुझे लगता है बहुत अच्छे हैं, यहाँ बड़ा अच्छा पढ़ा रहे हैं। उनका डिसिप्लिन भी बहुत अच्छा है। मैम जो स्टेज पे हैं उनका भी देखता हूँ मैं कि कल बच्चों को बोलने की एक आदत पड़ेगी इसी स्टेज से। जिन मैम ने गेम खिलाई हैं उन बच्चों को तैयार किया, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया है। बाकी उजाला मैम को मैं जानता हूँ, इन्होंने आर्मी में स्कूल में बहुत अच्छा काम किया 10-12 साल। और हमारी भी 1-2 लड़कियाँ इनके पढ़ाई हुई डॉक्टर बन चुकी हैं। ये बहुत मेहनत करती हैं स्कूल में, और इनको उस टाइम से मैं जानता हूँ। रोहित साहब बड़ी मेहनत करते हैं इस चीज़ को आगे बढ़ाने में। तो हम दुआ करते हैं कि स्कूल इससे ज़्यादा चले और ये और ज़्यादा दिन रात तरक्की करे। शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।